Hello YouTube, this is Spirit Retro here, and I am not here with another game video. Today's audio is music for creators, and I specifically searched for open licensed music, so YouTube, please don't mute this. Apologies for the stutter. But now, the reason for today's video is because I've been working on something that's actually improved my characters a bit, and it's a part of the torso that I've been neglecting without realising, and it's the muscles immediately above the hips and immediately below the ribcage. So, enough talking, let me actually show you what I mean. So, I'm not going to make this particularly good. It's just something quick to show you what I mean. So let's say this is the rib cage. Okay, and these are the hips. That's always a good way of going about the hips. So this is one of these muscles here, and this is why it's important. Why I find it so good, because they do that. So on bodybuilders, strength building people, I don't go to the gym, I'm not really a bodybuilder, so I don't really know the terminology. You'll see the hip bones, they have that nice sexy little muscle crease where the muscle meets to the bone, and it leads into the groin here, and then YouTube, I never drew that. Yeah, into the naughty bits. So the reason why this has been so important to me is I've been neglecting these bits. I've been neglecting these. So my torsos always ended up being like this. They always ended up like that, where the hips were basically immediately below the ribs. I'm going to turn this music down because it's drowning out my ability to hear myself a bit. So let's turn it down. Sorry about that. Oh, I've got hay fever as well, so if you can hear me sniffing, I apologise for that. So yeah, that's why my torsos have been looking a bit weird, because I've been neglecting these muscles here, which if I'd learned properly would have given me the structure I needed to actually understand what I was doing wrong. So if I were to put the things in, you can see right away that looks a bit odd. It's because these muscles aren't long enough. Because these muscles are about the same size, at least this way, as the hip bones themselves. So depending on how much of the hip bones you actually want to show, like in this case like that, the muscles here should be at least as long. But unlike bone, muscle can stretch. It's called hyperextension, and that goes for the joints as well. So you can actually stretch your leg further than the structure should allow you because of hyperextension. That's because muscles like to do this. Stretch and squish. And it's how you can move your torso independently of the hips. And it's all because of this section here. So, do yourselves a favour, learn it properly, and you'll find that this is a great way of joining your hips to the torso. Something that I actually struggled with because, again, I neglected this particular part. And these little bits here gives you enough of the structure to do the big lines of the torso in the proper place, rather than what I was doing, which was like, to do this a bit. I was doing stuff like that. I mean, you can see, just glancing at these two, you can see straight away, this, compared to that, shit. So yeah. But I think part of the problem is a lot of the cartoons I grew up on, Bruce Timm's style sort of simplified the whole area like that. And I tried to draw like him, where I just did that. The big problem here is, I'm not Bruce Timm. So yeah, I can't do that and make it look good, because frankly I'm not skilled enough to do it. So yeah, that's what I've learned recently. Just wanted to share it with others who might be struggling. Let's that actually look like muscle, shall we? If this was helpful, then fantastic, I'm glad. If you already knew this, then fair enough. But I hope this helps some of you, and I'll see you next time. If there's anything else, if you enjoyed this and you want me to cover something else, let me know and I might do more of these. Because teaching is a great way of solidifying what you know. So, yeah. Ah, lovely cup of tea. Yeah, this is Spirit Retro. This has been a very short and bad art tutorial showing what I've learned. I'll see you later.